Here we have a scaled down model of our SoleraWall system. Every part and component that you see here is what would be used in the real life installation of the system. We are going to take a minute to disassemble the model, and then we'll show just how efficiently the system can be installed. So first we remove the vertical gaskets, and then the horizontal gaskets. And then we use this Allen key to loosen the toggle that secures the panels in place. Okay. And then we can remove the glass panels. And then the U gaskets. The sill cap. And then the starter.